Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, I am Rayhan and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to fix this issue that projecting to this PC is not working after updating your PC. So guys, now what will you do? Firstly, you need to open these optional features. Then click on it, close. Now go to your start menu and click on settings. Then go to apps and here apps and features. Under the apps and features you will get a optional features. Then click on it and add a feature and click on it and make sure your internet is connected. Then type over here blue IRE wireless display. So click on this and install. So guys, after installing these apps, then close this tab. So guys, after closing this tab and search here projecting to this PC and enter. And guys, you can see all option is showing. So thank you so much for watching this video, and finally I want to say don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like, comment, share. Thank you so much.